Thank you very much, Julius. Our distinguished guests, I think in our midst wish to recognize the presence of the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament. You are welcome. And the other dignitaries who are here present. Once again, I wish to welcome you to this session, the third session of the day, when we let the people of Uganda know further preliminary results of the presidential elections that we have received at this study center so far. The total number of registered voters, 21,649,067. That is 067. Total number of polling stations, 50,739. Total number of polling stations from which the results have been received so far, 35,491, which represents 69.95% of the total number of polling stations. At this hour, the performance of the presidential candidates is as follows. Bulira Frank Kavinga, 35,315 votes, representing 0.44% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Kasvante Robert, 24,564, representing 0.31% of valid votes cast for candidates. Kyagulanyi Sentam Robert, 1,709,474, representing 21.33% of valid votes cast. Mabirizi Joseph, 16,813 votes, representing 0.21% of the valid votes cast. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, 44,367, representing 0.55% of the valid votes cast. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, 22,232 votes, representing 0.28% of the valid votes cast. Nandala Mafabi James Nathan, 157,111 votes, presenting 1.96% of the valid votes cast. Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, 6,003,657, representing 74.92% valid votes cast. Valid votes in a total are 8,013,533. 8,013,533. That is the total number of valid votes for all the candidates. Invalid votes, 202,808, which is equivalent to 2.47% of the total votes cast. Total votes altogether, 8,216,341. representing 37.95% of the registered voters. Spoiled votes, 27,740. That is the position that we have as of this hour and minute. And the next briefing will be at 10 o'clock. The next briefing or update of the results will be at 10 o'clock. I thank you for listening to me.